AI agents are changing the world, but what exactly are they? How do they work? And how can you use them? In this video, I'll break down AI agents, their tools, workflows, real world applications, and the top frameworks that you can start using today. If you are interested in AI automation, finance agents, or even building your own AI workflows, stay till the end. So, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, techCodio. So, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe now and also hit that like button. So now let's dive into the video. So guys, I'm requesting you, give me your 10 to 15 minutes of time. I'm going to explain you clearly what is AI agent, tools, workflows, and task with a clear cut flowchart, right? Just give me 10 to 15 minutes of your time. It is my responsibility to make you understand the complete AI agents, right? So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, now let's see what is an agent. Generally, an agent is a person or entity that has the authority to act on the behalf of another party, known as the principal. The agent makes decisions, negotiates, or carries out tasks for the principal based on their agreement or contract. So here I'm going to start with the agent. So we need to understand what is the word agent called. So here we already saw the definition. Now I want to give you a clear-cut example. For example, finance agent. If you want to invest in stocks, mutual funds, and other real estate, you don't know where to invest and you don't have any prior knowledge. So what do? You will go to the finance agent and then you will give your money and then he will take care of the rest. So he is going to invest in stock market, mutual fund, real estate, and etc. So here we don't know what to do, but we have to invest our money. So we need to go to the agent, like finance agent, and then he will take care of your money, right? So I hope you got the basic example of agent. So now let's start understanding more about AI agents. So guys, now let's see AI agents. The definition: AI agents are smart systems and execute tasks without constraints who can analyze data, automate workflows, and improve over time. Right? It is a basic definition. So guys, for AI agents, so guys, I took a simple definition. We have but so many big definitions, but I don't want to explain that. So it is a clear-cut example. So now let's start understanding the AI agents with an example. Let's consider ChatGPT as an example. So what it does, you need to analyze some data. You'll give data and then you will give the columns and sample example of rows. So it is going to give you Python code that you can do for analysis, right? So what it is doing, without we analyze data, we need to write the code. We are giving our task to agent. So it is going to give us the explanation of the data, like how many columns are there, how many rows are there. So it is going to give you some Python code. So with that, we can get to know how many rows and how many columns are present. So here AI agent is making our work fastly, making our work without any efforts, right? It is saving our time. So anything which is saving our time, it is known as agent, right? I hope you got the clarity of an agent. So let's see the era of, so let's see how the AI agents started. It's all started with machine learning and then the deep learning. After that, we are in the LLM. So now the current era is AI agents. So that's why I started teaching about AI agents, right? So guys, it is a definition and example of AI agent. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how we can build AI agents with the help of some frameworks, right? So now let's the tools. So for example, consider ChatGPT. Tool means it is going to use Python code to write Python code for the data analysis. For example, Python is a tool for the ChatGPT to analyze the data. So here also tools are software or systems that AI agent use to collect, process and interpret data, enabling them to perform their functionality effectively. So here GPT tool is Python so that it can make the data analysis effectively. So like that every agent will use tools. Now web scraping tool. With the help of beautiful soup, we can scrap the data like that API, Twitter API, database querying. We have SQL, MongoDB, sensor data, IoT devices, social media monitoring, puts out brand watch. Like that. Another example. Consider AI finance agent can use web scraping to gather the stock market data, APIs to process transactions, and databases to store user preferences. It's a basic example. So after completing all the definitions, I'm going to explain the complete complete AI agents, tools, workflow, and tasks with a flowchart. So wait for that. Now, workflow. Workflows are structured sequences of operations or tasks that AI agent follow to accomplish specific objectives. They involves steps such as data collection, processing, decision making, execution, and feedback loop. So here, workflow. So workflow means same. Let's take the same example. Workflow. So when you open a chat GPT, when you type chatting, it is going to open a chat window for you. In the chat window, will tell that chat act as a data analyst expert. So the complete chart, it is going to act as a data analyst only. So that data analyst is known as AI agent, and then it is a complete workflow. You can ask many questions on that chat, and then it can able to remember, right? So like that, it is also a workflow. Let's see the example: data collection, data processing, decision making, action execution, and the feedback loop. So now let's see the process of workflow. So first, it is going to collect the data processing, filtering and analyzing financial reports, decision making, predicting market trends with AI models, action execution, executing buy or sell orders, feedback loop, adjusting based on the real time performance. So here I took the workflow with the example of finance agent. I hope you got the understanding of workflow. Every AI agent follows this structure process. Whether it's for finance, healthcare, or automation, every agent has to follow this workflow. Now coming to the task. For example, same for the GPT we give the task, right? Do the data analysis. So here also tasks are the specific actions or objects that AI agent are designed to perform, such as customer care support, fraud detection, or data analysis. Tasks can vary in complexity depending on the agent's design and applications. So based on our agent design, we are going to give the separate task: finance task, healthcare task, research analyst task, like that. It is depends on the agent. So guys, I hope I have covered all the four definitions and with the basic understanding of examples. Right? If you haven't understood anything, please try to watch it again. So guys, when I explain it again with the flowchart, then you can able to understand easily. Right? So here is the workflow, agent, tools, and task. So in this flowchart, I have covered all these four definitions, all these four words that I talked earlier. Workflow. It is a complete workflow. In that workflow, we have agent, tools, response, and task. So it is going to start with the task. So we are giving finance agent analyze two stocks for us. One is for me and one is for you guys who are watching this video. So we have given a task. So this agent will take up the task. It has two tools. One is tool 1 and one is tool 2. So what it does, it will go to the Wikipedia, identify two stocks, and then it is going to store into the database. And finally, we will get the response back. For Bharat, you are going to invest in Suzlan. For you guys, subscribers, you are going to invest in NTPC, right? So it is an example, guys, not a recommendation. Example. So it is a workflow. So how this AI agent is getting the data? Because it has the access to the Wikipedia. It can go and read and then recommend the task. So we have database, example SQLite. What it does, it is going to store all the collected information from the Wikipedia into the database. So finally, it will give us the response. So it is a complete workflow. Got it? So guys, if you like the video, please do the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then comment on your explanation, like understood, completely understood, or partially understood, like that. Now section 4. It is a real world application. For example, AI agents are used in customer services like chatbot handling, FAQs, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, etc. Healthcare, AI scheduling, patient appointments, finance, fraud detection, and automated trading, logistics like optimizing delivery routes, education, personalized learning paths. These agents aren't just theories, they are actively shaping the industries. So many agents are currently using in many companies. I'm going to talk about more on that in the next videos, right? And the final section is best AI frameworks to build AI agents. Want to build your own AI agents? Here are the best frameworks to use, like LangChain for language model based AI, Microsoft Semantic Kernel for contextual AI, AutoGPT for autonomous AI agents, Open API for powerful AI driven tasks, Crew AI, no code AI agent deployment, Dialogflow, Google's chatbot builder, and the Pi data. So this Pi data, in the next video, I'm going to take the Pi data and then I'm going to create a finance agent or anything similar, right? So guys, it's a wrap for this video. So guys, see you in the next video with the live coding of building AI agent.